Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. I already did that because it was taking a lot of time to download, so I can open it right away. Now select Continue and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. Then select Yes, I agree and tap on the three button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete it right away, pause it and tap on this X icon at the bottom left corner. But you can also click on this icon when your recording is still on and add a bookmark. If you wish to, you can name it, but you don't have to, and tap OK. Now, if you wish to end and save your recording, tap on this checkmark icon and just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always rename it by clicking on those three dots over here, choosing rename, typing in whatever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and select OK. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that by holding it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!